Of course, darling. This is amazing. I call you back. Bye, 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 bye. Wake up, JEANPOD.
Hello, Rossy.
Ah, hello. I need your help. I want to speak English like French people because it's so chic.
I have exactly what you need.
Antoine!
Hello, Rossy.
Antoine.
Hello, ma petite chérie. So you want to speak with a French accent?
Yes, please.
It's very hard.
Very hard.
It's very hard.
Hard.
Lesson number 1.
Yes.
The. The girl.
The girl.
The boy.
The boy.
The room.
The room.
Hein?
The perfume.
The perfume.
Ah.
Oh, very good. Lesson number 2. Say ooh la la whenever you can.
Oh la la. Whenever I can. When?
Okay, I'll show you.
Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh là là. Bye bye. Abonne-toi. 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 Mais abonne-toi, qu'on n'a pas toute la journée pour s'abonner, hein?